MariaDB is the default MySQL or relational database management system that comes with CentOs7. Use this command to install MariaDB. The installation is complete and now we need to start MariaDB. Now enable MariaDB at boot. Now check the status. And it is active and running. Now the next important thing we need to do is secure MariaDB database management system, and to do so use this command. Now don't type anything here, just hit the enter button. Yes, we do need to set a root password, so type Y for yes. Now don't forget this password which you will assign, otherwise later on you won't be able to create databases. Yes, we should remove the anonymous users. Disallow remote login, yes. Yes, this is not needed. And finally, reload privileges. So this is it for now. And in my later video, when I will install WordPress, then I will create a database using MariaDB. And in my next video, I am going to install PHP.